Welcome to this short video showing you how to use polls in Microsoft Teams. So the first step is to go to your channel. I'm using a test channel here. To click on the new conversation button and then click on the three dots at the end of these options here. Having clicked on the three dots, you will see a forms button. You can click on the forms button and it will load up a form window for you, all within Teams. Now this plugin is obviously powered by Microsoft Forms. And once it loads, you're able to ask a question. For example, how are you all doing today? Something you could ask in your remote tutorial, for example. And then we can have options as we would normally. So great, okay, not great. For example, I want them to answer just one option or give just one option. So I'm going to leave multiple answers unticked. And I don't want results to be shared automatically with the rest of the group. I do want to know who's given what answer. So I'm going to leave this anonymous box unticked. And having selected my options, I can press save. I get a preview before it's posted to the team or the group. So for example, here is our preview. How are you all doing today? Great, okay, not great. I can edit it if I need to or press send. And if I click send, it will post it to the channel. There we are, and you'll see. So my students or staff can answer this now. And I've chosen not to share their answers, but instead I've chosen just to show how many people have responded. In a moment, we'll see what it looks like if we share our answers. So if I go down to the three dots, click on forms, I'm going to answer another question this time. And I could say, are you ready to submit your assignment on Friday? And Teams, as is in the web version, is fairly intelligent and it's given me options, yes, no, maybe. So I'm going to choose yes and no. And I'm going to, again, just have one answer given. This time, I want the results to be shared because it's not as personal as the previous question. But I also want to know who's answered what. So I'm going to leave the anonymous responses box unticked. I'm going to press save. I get a preview again. Are you ready to submit your assignment on Friday? Yes or no. I can edit it if I wish, and I can just click send. So now it's going to send that poll to the students in this group, and you'll see that the live results appear just below. This is great for this sort of use case. Now, finally, if you navigate to Microsoft Forms within your Office 365 portal, you'll be able to see all of the details you normally would, because a copy of this form can be found there. Thanks for listening.